Join me as I dig deep and uncover hotel room secrets you won't believe actually exist. When traveling, it's easy to overlook the little things that can make a big difference in our hotel room experience. Many of us stick to what we know: the bed, the bathroom, and the minibar. But there's often so much more to discover. From hidden storage compartments to secret amenities, I'm about to share some incredible hotel room secrets that will change the way you travel. One common misconception is that hotel rooms are all pretty basic and similar, but that's far from the truth. Many travelers are unaware of the range of services and features available to them. For instance, some hotels offer services like wake-up calls, local tour bookings, and even in-room massages. You'd be surprised how many people don't know about these perks. What's more, hotel staff often have insider tips on the best local spots to eat, visit, and explore. The lack of knowledge about hotel rooms can lead to some pretty missed opportunities. Think about it. When was the last time you asked your hotel concierge for recommendations? They can give you the lowdown on the best-kept secrets in town. Not to mention, many hotels have partnerships with local businesses that can get you exclusive deals. It's all about knowing who to ask and what to ask for. Hotel rooms also have their own set of hidden features that can make your stay more enjoyable. But it's up to you to discover them. With a little curiosity and exploration, you can uncover some amazing secrets. Ever heard of hidden storage spaces in hotel rooms? Some rooms have secret compartments in the closet or under the bed. These are perfect for stashing valuable items like passports, jewelry, or important documents. Then, there are rooms with tech gadgets that can enhance your stay. Think USB ports, wireless charging stations, and smart TVs. And let's not forget about the minibars, which often stock more than just overpriced snacks and drinks. Some hotels offer complimentary treats like chocolates, nuts, or even a bottle of wine. Some hotels take it a step further with unique amenities that can really improve your comfort and convenience. For example, some luxury hotels offer in-room saunas, private balconies, or even espresso machines. Imagine being able to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee from the comfort of your own room. That's what I call a game changer. What's more, some hotels have special rooms designed for specific needs, like rooms with separate living areas or suites with kitchenettes. But among all these amazing hotel room secrets, there's one that takes the cake. In some luxury hotels, there's a hidden feature that's sure to blow your mind. Imagine having access to a private lounge area, complete with complimentary food and drinks just for being a guest. Or picture this, a hidden safe in your room that's not just for storing valuables, but also for keeping your belongings completely secure. That peace of mind is priceless. In some high-end suites, there's even a secret button that can summon a personal butler. Yes, you heard that right. A personal butler at your beck and call. They can help with anything from unpacking your bags to making dinner reservations. It's like having your own personal assistant, right in your hotel room. To top it all off, some hotels have incredible hidden features that can really make your stay unforgettable. Like, have you ever heard of a Do Not Disturb sign that also alerts housekeeping to give you extra perks? Some hotels will leave special treats or services for guests who use this sign. In summary, being aware of these hotel room secrets can totally transform your stay from ordinary to extraordinary. It's all about knowing what to look for and being open to new experiences. If you've got your own hotel room secrets or stories to share, I'd love to hear them. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, secrets, and fun content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.